Morning everyone, it's Ed at Are You Cars. This is our Audi A6 Avant. It's a 2 litre TDI Special Edition Multitronic. So it's the 8-speed auto, finished in Daytona grey, got 85,000 miles. Full Audi history to 76,000 miles. Currently do a service, we'll do that in-house. Cam belt was done at 62. Nice spec. Daytona grey is the colour to have. Suits these down to a T. This one's got the xenon lights. Obviously it is a facelift model. It's got the 19-inch Le Mans alloys. They've all got Dunlop tyres on if I remember rightly. And it's absolutely clean as a whistle. Parking sensors on the back, you've got your LED rear lights, being a facelift car. Very tidy. Inside it's got the black part leather. It is heated as well. Again, rare option with part leather interior, and it has got the MMR 3G. All the tyres are really good. They are all Dunlops. It's even got a 5th alloy wheel in the boot if I remember rightly. It's cracking. Inside, super clean. We'll start in the boot as usual. I've had to just put some nice stripes in the carpet there for you. I'll just check if it has got a spare, if I can do it one-handed. There you go, full-size alloy spare wheel as well. Not space saver, no tyre weld, etc. I'll put that back in a minute when I've got both hands. There you go. Got the load rail kit as well, and a tonneau cover, load cover. That's the easiest way of calling it. Yeah, all very clean and tidy. In the back, again, spotless. Got the Isofix, got the centre armrest, got your rear electric windows, heater vents down there. All very nice. Same in the front. Got the S-Line embossed logo, the white stitch, and the lunar dotting in the centre. Very nice, very clean, very tidy. Minimal wear to the driver's bolster. All the switch gears really nice. You've got your multi-function steering wheel and paddle shift there. Being a special edition, the contrast stitching is integrated into the gear lever and the armrest and the steering wheel, which is a nice little touch. The mileage is 85,218, and I'll just start the car now so you can see there are no warning lights. So as you see there, all the lights illuminate and go out as they should. The mileage is 85,218. Service due in 12 days, which we'll be carrying out. Got your radio and navigation with your media and your Bluetooth telephone just there. Also displays the parking sensors, I believe. No, not on this one. Let's see if it's... No display for this one. Does have heated seats, both driver and passenger. You've got 6 settings for them there. Cup holder in the centre, another one there. Phone cradle if you ever wanted to get one, but I bet you don't. Nobody uses them these days. CD changer and multimedia in the glove box along with your handbooks. And that really is it. Super tidy. Not your typical abused example. Give us a shout, 01509 267 111. We'll get you booked in for a test drive. You can be driving this car away before Christmas. Thanks for watching.